Hey guys, RoonPicker here with another lock picking video, and today I got another challenge lock for you. This one is Captain Crunch by Flebron, and he made his out of a Schlage mortise cylinder. No engravings on here, but you can see he put this tape on here to hold these grub screws in. You can see the Schlage keyway on here. Definitely a nice looking lock though, it's nice and shiny, I like it. And we got the key mummified here. So let's go ahead and get this in the vise and see if we can get it open today. Now, it's pretty typical for Schlage to have high cuts on their keys, so we're going to be using the SS Dev, and sometimes you can rake it, and I'll bring out the standard hook too. That should cover everything that I care about. We got 50 thousandths. Key going there, and let's zoom in. Whoa. And move this up just a little bit so you guys can see. We're gonna see if we can get this open today. Top the keyway going counterclockwise. Oop, don't lose our hook. Come on. Nice click out of pin 6. A little bit of movement on the core. I feel like we're oversetting something. I didn't even set anything there. So far we haven't got anything. Can't feel anything binding. Let's see if we can get into a false set at least. Nothing. Interesting. So far, so good, Flebron. I'm pretty impressed, actually. Oh, there we go. Just got to hit the right pins. Surprise, surprise. Now we're getting somewhere. Now we're cooking with gas. Underneath those pins. There we go. Interesting. Switching between the rake and my SS Dev seems to be working. Let's see if we can find what's binding. Slipped off the pin. No, slip off the pin. Come on. Dropped it. Need to find what's left. It's holding us up. Not this time. Oh, that was a definite Norris. I felt that. There we go. That was a nice click. What's holding this up? There we go, we got it. So the key was switch between the rake and the SS Dev. All right, zoom out. You can see we are picked. And let's go ahead and lock this back up. Let's take a look at this key. I'm really curious to see what this key looks like. Come on. Come on. Come on. Wow, okay. Look at that key. That is a crazy looking Schlage key. And that's probably one of the better hand-cut mountain keys I've seen. It's definitely not stock, I can tell you that much. Yeah, smooth as butter. No snagging whatsoever. So, one question I got asked by one of my viewers was why all my keys look the same as far as like the wrapping, like do I wrap them? And the answer is no. So when I get packages that I don't unbox, my wife unboxes them, and I told her to tape any key that comes, any challenge lock key that comes unmummified. So she actually goes and opens the package and tapes them for me. So when you send me a key, or sorry, a challenge lock, oh, it's over here. When you send me a challenge lock that doesn't have a mummified key, more than likely, if I don't open it, my wife will mummify the key for me. So that's what's going on with that. If I can get this C clip off, the battle of the C clip. There we go. And I have a feeling we're gonna want a shim. It's always good practice to shim challenge locks. Come on. I cannot get the shim in there. Oh, there we go. Come on. All right, shim is in. That was kind of difficult, actually. Let's go get this. There we go. Yeah, so we have threading and counter milling in this. So we've got, where's my, oh, I put it away. Here we go, okay. Threading on 1, counter milling and threading on 2, threading on 3, counter milling and threading on 4, threading on 5, threading on 6. And let's take a look at these driver pins. So we got, an ASA barrel on 1 with threading on the chamber. A nice looking spool on 2 with threading on the chamber. ASA barrel on 3 with no threading in the chamber. We got, oh, that's an interesting pin and pin. I've never seen one like that before. Huh, very interesting. Threading, acid barrel on 5 and threading. So the only, oh, did I miss one? Oh, I did miss one. Interesting. And that's an interesting looking spool top here. Come on. All right, there we go. So only chamber that's not threaded is chamber 3. All the other chambers are threaded. That may be so the lock operates better. Like it won't caught up on the key kind of thing. So let's go ahead and get the camera over here and I'll show you guys what we're dealing with. So look, we got those acid barrels on 1, 3, and 5. We got that pin and pin on 6 with a master wafer to protect the spring. We've got a spool top on 2 and 4, and we got threaded on the rest of them. And I didn't orient this. I forgot to fix these. So these are not flipped correctly. There we go. So now those key pins are the correct way. But that is the Captain Crunch Challenge lock from Flebron. Very fun lock, actually. I liked having to switch between the rake and my SS Dead. That was pretty fun. So if you guys like this content, like, comment, subscribe, and hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks. Bye.